Alright, we're in the room. This is the Kingdoms themed level. This is the 4th floor. Let me show it to you what it looks like. Basically the layout is just like it was when I did the Pirate Island Hotel, but that was pirate themed. See all the really cool Kingdom medieval type decorations and stuff. It looks like you can move that around for the kids to play. This is awesome. There's a little safe where you could get a little toy out. Then there's a safe to put valuables. I mean, it's coolly themed, but not as themed as the Pirate Island Hotel one. My problem is this was supposed to be a walk-in shower, so I may actually see if I call down there and get one, and this is instead of a regular tub. So we may have to change, but I wanted to film this, show it, just in case. I bet you this probably has Legos for the kids to play with, instead of a basket that was inserted in the wall at the Pirate Island Hotel. Waters with the ice bucket, those waters though are $4.50. Of course, this bag probably extra stuff for bedding. Laundry bag, another extra thing to put your thing in. Your luggage on, of course, drawers. A little beat up, I noticed the drawers are. In here would be where the little refrigerator is. Here's a couple complimentary bottles of water, some tea and coffee and cream, sugar, and hot cocoa. Complimentary hand sanitizer. Here, look at this cool carpet. Of course, I'll take some pictures. Look at that banner on there. Like I said, this is definitely not as cool looking as the Pirate Island Hotel. And even though it's supposed to be a handicap accessible, this is almost the farthest room away from the elevator, which is interesting. You would think it would be closer. And there's the Pirate Island Hotel, which I stayed at last time. The room I was at was on the other side. That gives you an idea. This is cool, but not as neat as the other one. Of course, I'll take some pictures and everything. Here's shampoos, conditioner, body lotions, the cups, a little bar of soap. Of course, the hair dryer, towels and bath gel. There's the safe again where you would get the toy after you figure out the code. And of course here again is the bunk beds for kids, which is probably what I'll be utilizing tonight. Yep, definitely. More likely the bottom. Well, technically you have 3 of them. There's that bottom part there, that is a pull-out bed. So officially this place, these rooms will fit 5 people, 2 adults and 3 children. So I'm going to call down there, see if we can get a room with a rolling one. If not, we'll be staying here tonight. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get another room, guys. This is all wet, soaked. And look at the cardboard, or not cardboard, but the wood thing. It's coming away from the wall. Something's leaking in there. And I thought when I came in here I smelled mildewy. I definitely smell it. So yeah, we're definitely going to get another room.